Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3. Step onto the court with confidence using the Wilson Hyper Hammer, a favorite among tennis newcomers for over 25 years. Designed specifically with beginners in mind, this best-selling racket combines a lightweight frame with balanced power, making it easy to swing for long sessions without causing shoulder or elbow fatigue. Its 27.5-inch length and 8.96-ounce weight provide a perfect blend of control and maneuverability, letting you focus on learning the game while minimizing strain. The oversized 110 square inch head is one of the Hyper Hammer's standout features. It offers a generous hitting surface that's forgiving on off-center shots, helping beginners make cleaner contact with the ball and develop confidence in their serves and returns. Spin generation is effortless, too, so you can experiment with new shots and quickly improve your game. The racket's balanced feel ensures stability during volleys and rallies, giving newcomers the support they need to enjoy every point. Beyond performance, the Hyper Hammer impresses with its unbeatable value. While it offers the quality and features of a mid-range racket, its beginner-friendly price makes it accessible for those just starting out or shopping on a budget. Available in multiple grip sizes, it's easy to find the perfect fit for comfort and control. Whether you're hitting the courts for fun or taking your first steps in competitive play, the Wilson Hyper Hammer 27.5-inch tennis racket delivers lightweight power, forgiveness, and confidence at a price that's hard to beat. Specifications: length, 27.5 inches. Weight, 8.96 ounces. Head size, 110 square in. Grip sizes, multiple options available. Number 2. Babolat Boost S. Experience effortless performance on the court with the Babolat Boost S tennis racket, a trusted choice for players of all levels, including professionals who consistently rely on Babolat for quality and playability. The Boost series is specifically designed for beginners, offering everything you need to improve your game without any unnecessary complexity. Whether you're learning your first serve or mastering new shot shapes, this racket provides the perfect balance of power, control, and comfort. Constructed at just 9.8 ounces, the Boost S is light enough to swing effortlessly while still delivering enough substance to generate solid power on your shots. Its 27-inch length ensures great reach and versatility, letting you handle volleys, baseline rallies, and quick returns with ease. The 102 square inch head offers a forgiving sweet spot, reducing mishits and helping new players gain confidence on every stroke. One of the standout features of the Boost S is its ability to enhance returns without sacrificing comfort or control. The frame provides a stable feel, giving beginners a reliable sense of the ball's impact while allowing for easy spin and shot shaping. Like the Wilson Hyper Hammer, the Boost S hits the sweet spot between affordability and performance, making it an excellent choice for beginners ready to level up from standard entry-level rackets. Available in multiple grip sizes, the Babolat Boost S adapts to your hand for optimal comfort and precision. Its lightweight, well-balanced design ensures longer play sessions without fatigue, making it an ideal partner for practice, casual matches, or friendly competitions. Specifications: length, 27 inches. Weight, 9.8 ounces. Head size, 102 square in. Grip sizes, multiple options available. Number 3. Wilson Clash 108 V2. Step onto the court with confidence using the Babolat Clash 108 V2 tennis racket, a top-tier choice for beginners who value comfort, performance, and longevity. While it carries a higher price tag, this racket is designed for players who are serious about their game and want a reliable, long-lasting tool that will grow with them. Its advanced construction combines responsive power with precise control, making it easier for beginners to develop all aspects of their game, from serves to volleys and baseline rallies. One of the standout features of the Clash 108 V2 is its enlarged 108 square inch sweet spot, which improves forgiveness on off-center hits. This means fewer mishits, more consistent returns, and greater confidence for newcomers still perfecting their swing. At 10.48 ounces, the racket strikes an excellent balance between sturdiness and maneuverability, providing enough substance to generate power while remaining comfortable for extended sessions. The 27.25-inch length further enhances reach and versatility, allowing beginners to cover the court effectively and experiment with different shot shapes. Beyond performance, the Clash 108 V2 is an investment in quality. Compared to cheaper sub-$100 models, this racket is built to last through years of regular play without sacrificing comfort or precision. Its durable design ensures consistent performance over time, making it a worthwhile first purchase for beginners ready to commit to improving their game. Specifications: length, 27.25 inches. Weight, 10.48 ounces. Head size, 108 square in. Grip sizes, multiple options available. Number 4. Head Geo Speed. Discover a beginner-friendly racket that combines durability, ease of use, and value with the Wilson Geo Speed 27.5-inch tennis racket. Designed for newcomers to the game, this racket offers a large 105 square-inch hitting surface that maximizes forgiveness on off-center shots, helping you build confidence with every swing. Whether you're learning your first serve or practicing volleys, the Geo Speed makes the game more approachable for players at all skill levels. At 27.5 inches long, the Geo Speed is ideal for players with shorter swings or smaller frames, giving them extra reach without compromising control. Its 10.4-ounce weight strikes a balance between stability and maneuverability, allowing for smooth, comfortable swings during long practice sessions or weekend matches. Constructed with strong, durable materials, this racket is built to withstand regular play while maintaining consistent performance, making it a reliable companion for beginners who want to develop their skills over time. While it's not a premium professional-level racket, the Wilson Geo Speed excels where it counts: affordability, ease of use, and beginner-friendly performance. Its straightforward design focuses on the essentials, making it an excellent option for players who want a recreational racket for casual play or a dependable first racket to kickstart their tennis journey. Specifications: length, 27.5 inches. Weight, 10.4 ounces. Head size, 105 square in. Grip sizes, multiple options available. Number 5. Wilson Burn 100 ULSV5. Bring a touch of professional tennis pedigree to your game with the Head T.S6 tennis racket, a beginner-friendly option infused with technology trusted by world-class players like Novak Djokovic. While you won't be spending pro-level money, this racket allows newcomers to experience some of the same engineering and design that top athletes rely on. It's ideal for those learning the game while looking for a reliable, high-performance racket at an affordable price. The oversized 115 square-inch head offers a generous sweet spot, making it easier to hit consistent, powerful shots even when your technique is still developing. At 27.75 inches long, the T.S6 provides extended reach for volleys and baseline play, helping beginners cover the court more effectively. Despite its light 8-ounce, unstrung frame, the racket delivers excellent control and responsiveness, letting players experiment with spin, power, and placement without feeling fatigued during long sessions. This head racket is a pared-down, straightforward option that focuses on delivering the essentials every beginner needs: forgiveness, comfort, and reliable performance. Its durable construction ensures consistent play over time, making it a great entry-level racket for recreational matches, weekend play, or practice sessions. Specifications: length, 27.75 inches. Weight, 8 ounces, unstrung. Head size, 115 square in. Grip sizes, multiple options available.